All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've got the Pixel 3 versus the Pixel 3a. This is the XL model, but pretty much the same as the 3a. Few differences like screen size and battery and things like that, but same processor, internals like that. So first thing, I have them powered off, so I'm going to power them back on here. Let's see which one boots first, or how slow this one is compared to this one. Wow, looks like it's powered up the same. So get my password in here. All right, guys, so got them both fired up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test some app opening. They're both clean. There's nothing in there. This is a fresh reboot. You can see there. So we're going to go into the folder here. These are mirrored because I actually did a restore from the Pixel 3 to the Pixel 3a. So I'm going to knock out this app opening thing here first. So we're going to go here. Looks like that's pretty neck and neck. They both loaded it up pretty good. Let's go Twitter. There we go. All right, Juan's live. All right, let's just open up YouTube. You can see how fast they open up. Let's open up Spreaker. I don't think I've even turned this on each one of these yet. Okay, there we go. So you can see how fast it opens that up. Let's open up, I can open up here. Let's open this up. All right, you can see there. All right, so let's open up Chrome. All right, we'll open up a new site here, and we'll go to, let's see here, leaks. This site takes a long time to pull in, and they're pretty much neck and neck, folks. Let's go to CNN. All right. Slight difference. Pixel 3 loaded a little bit faster. Well, actually, we're still loading the ad up there. So, okay, take a look at that. Don't want to look at that clown. So let's go here. I guess I didn't hit it on here, so we'll go into something else. We'll go down to see if we can find another article here. Let's go to related article. These are running neck and neck. I don't really see a problem with app opening. So that's a huge plus. All right, so let's open up my front camera to my house. There you go. See a slight head on the Pixel 3. They're pretty much neck and neck to me. I heard some people say that, you know, if you do something like these kind of apps or just anything like that, it's gonna be much faster on the Pixel 3. So I don't think so right now. And yeah, I'm not gonna go through a whole bunch of different opening of apps, but pretty much I don't see that much difference in opening these apps. I don't see that much difference. They're pretty much opening them at the same time with a slight advantage. I mean, a millisecond probably. I don't know. It's not much faster on the Pixel 3. So with that being said, after that, what can I compare? Well, these have these same cameras, and there's really no need to compare the cameras. But as far as performance goes, I think these are neck and neck, man. Even though this is a Snapdragon 845 and this is a Snapdragon 670, I don't see the speediness. Like I said this in another video, but I wanted to go ahead and put this up because people say it's more than the cameras, and it is more than the cameras. I've said that at this point, it's more than the cameras. You're getting a little bit more from this phone than just good cameras. And this is something that that goes along with my previous video about why you should probably check out this Pixel 3 XL or the Pixel 3a before you jump out and buy this phone. Now, if you find this phone for $500, 400, anything under 500 with this Pixel 3 or 3 XL, get them. But if you can't, I would definitely say grab the 3A, the smaller version of this, if you want, right? Because the smaller version of this is a little bit bigger than the Pixel 3. Even though it's got a 5.6 inch display compared to the 5.5 inch display on this, the phone itself is bigger. Because I was in the store yesterday and I played with it and I was like, whoa, this is a little bit bigger. It's not much, but it's a little bit bigger. But these two phones right here have the same cameras. It's, the front has one on here and this has two. But that's not going to be a deal breaker for a lot of people. This one has a headphone jack. This one doesn't. They both have stereo speakers. This one has the stereo speakers facing you, though, directly. And that's, I don't see much difference, especially with performance. Let's go back into some of these apps here. You can see they're loading up the same. After they load, they're there. I don't really see any difference. Those are just different ads up top there. They're holding good in the memory and RAM. It looks fine to me. They both pop up this ad. I mean, I don't see the difference. So this is a real brief and quick video. Performance, and I've said this before, the performance on the Pixel 3a is not much different than the 3a XL. And it comes, I talked about how it comes for your day-to-day task, like opening apps and things like that. And it happens, man. You're gonna have to why just log me out. You're gonna have to determine whether or not you want to spend that extra cash if in fact you just want the Pixel 3. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying that the Pixel 3 is a bad purchase. I'm just saying that right now, the 3A, if you don't want to spend a chunk of money, the 3A is definitely a good buy. Simple as that. So it's your man Jay, real quick video, a couple of I don't normally do app opening videos, but I wanted to see for myself. These boot up about the same. They run the apps about the same. Only a slight advantage. I mean, a slight advantage to the Pixel 3. Is it worth it? You tell me in the comments. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.